What I'd like you to do is to consider how you would feel about having to grow up in an Anglo-Saxon village. Obviously, the way they live their lives is quite different to the way we do now. So I want you to think about which parts of it based on the video you think you would like and which parts you're not entirely sure you would. That might come down to your gender as well. So it's different for boys and girls. So girls were taught how to do things around the house, and boys were taught how to do things like farming and how to be a soldier. I'd also like you to compare life in Anglo-Saxon times to now. So I've written a brief example, and I'd like you to model your own version of your answer on this. So I've said, I think there are some parts of living in an Anglo-Saxon village I would enjoy. I would find learning how to farm and grow my own food interesting, as well as living a simpler life. However, I'm not sure I would enjoy living in a wooden hut or learning how to be a soldier. I don't think I'd like to go to war and try to conquer other areas. I think I prefer living now when I can just read about these things on the internet instead of having to learn how to use a sword. I also like living in my house with central heating, especially as it's quite cold at the moment.